Hi, I'm Adam Zuckerman, attorney and founder of Buried in Work. Welcome to our estate planning and end-of-life Q&A series. Here are 3 things to know about what an advance directive is. Let's start with the first thing to know. An advance directive typically states your medical wishes and names someone to speak for you. It helps guide care if you cannot communicate. Next, here's the second point to remember. It reduces stress and conflict during emergencies. Clear guidance can prevent family arguments and help doctors make decisions consistent with your values. And finally, here's the third point that is often overlooked. It needs to be accessible to be effective. Many families have the document but cannot find it when a hospital asks for it. Before we go, one final tip to keep in mind. The best advance directive is one you update, share, and store where it can actually be used. For more information about advance directives, visit buriedinwork.com and open the Advanced Directives Information Hub. If you're considering an estate and end-of-life organization system, Buried in Work's Clear Kit is trusted by professionals and families nationwide.